Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is Kaetech Digital. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to design a salon website for free using WordPress. So this website over here is what we are going to learn how to design. As you can see over here, this is the website that we're going to learn how to design. Have everything that a salon website should have, and I'm going to show you how you can be able to design this beautiful website you see over here for free. So on this website, what you can get is you can get this transparent header over here. You can also get this beautiful hero section over here with this image sliders over here that you see at the background. You can also when you scroll down, we can also be able to list our services over here, and this services has been explained little explained over here, as you can see over here. And then you can also get a call to action section over here, and then also some few other services that you want to highlight also over here, and then also an appointment section also over here. And then the last one is a contact section that you can be able to insert a form also over here. And then we have the footer that you see over here. So this is a very beautiful website, and we have the about page, the services also page. We have the shop page. You can add a shop to it. I'll show you how you can be able to add a shop to it. You can add a contact also page also to it, and then it also have a booking. Okay, a booking. So when I click on book an appointment, I'll show you how you can be able to integrate this booking plugin also into it. So you can be able to book an appointment. You can be able to have this booking plugin over here to be able to go ahead and then just book an appointment. Your client to be able to book an appointment with you. We click on next over here, and then you can also go ahead and either choose an assistant, or you let the system choose for you. We can click on next over here, and then we select our date and then our time also. So let's say we want to book appointment this date and then this time. We click on next, and then we fill in some few details over here, and then we can be able to continue to the next step. So either you log in or you fill in these details over here, and then you can be able to click on next to book the appointment. So I'll show you how you can be able to integrate this appointment booking form into this beautiful website over here. But aside that, we have the about page also over there, where you can be able to let customers know more about your salon, okay, what you do and other stuff. Also over here, your your the people that works over there, the professional style hairstylists and other stuff. And some, you can also add some testimonials also into it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can be able to do all this. And then we also have the services page. Okay, the services page also is over here. So as you can see, we have these beautiful services sections over here. And then what makes it nice is that when I hover over here and I want to go to hairstyling, I can just click over here and it's going to take me over there. The same way, if I want to go to braiding, it will just take me straight over where the braiding is, and I'll know what they do, the kind of braids that they do and other stuff. If I want to go to haircuts, I'll be able to see the details about haircut. And then also have a shop page. Okay, so you can be able to shop on this website. So I'll show you how you can be able to create a shop page. We will integrate a free plugin which will help us to be able to create this beautiful shop page over here, and then we also go ahead and then learn how to create all the shop page, the other pages, link to the cart page, the checkout page and all those things. I'll show you how you can be able to create all those pages. And then we also have contact also. So on the contact page, I'll show you how you can be able to create this beautiful form as you see over here, and then how you can be able to integrate maps and other stuff into your contact page. I'm going to show you all this. Now we're going to do all this using a free page builder. Okay, so we're going to use a free page builder. Everything you see over here is free. The only thing you have to get before starting is your laptop, and then also domain and hosting. But if you don't have domain and hosting and you just want to practice, of course, I have videos of how you can be able to use install domain, install local WP on your machine for you to be able to use and then create website and design website for yourself. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video and learn how we can be able to create this beautiful website that you see over here. Now if you are new over here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We create beautiful websites, we create WordPress tutorials over here. Please support the channel, just subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, please, and support the channel. Okay, so let's jump into the video.